You will be surprised to know how much money Cristiano Ronaldo gives his son Jr. every week. Ronaldo himself says that he gives his son Jr. $10,000 every week to spend. And the surprising thing is that Jr. spends all this money on his lifestyle, sometimes on expensive clothes, sometimes on haircuts, sometimes on restaurants, and sometimes on his girlfriend. Jr. goes to the barbershop every other day to get his hairstyle set, where each visit costs $4,000. Apart from this, he also spends a lot of money when he dines out with his friends. Cristiano Ronaldo himself trains Jr., but he is a little worried about this, that if the expenses continue like this, then it may become difficult to handle Jr. in the future.